Good day everyone. We are here to discuss some of the rules concerning collision and regulation. Let me introduce myself first. I am Midshipman Jerwin, and I am here to discuss rule number 8, action to avoid risk of collision. So let's go to bridge. So here we are at the bridge. Let me define rule number 8 a little. So rule 8, action to avoid risk of collision. Ito yung mga action na dapat mong gawin para hindi ka na humantong dun sa risk of collision. So maraming situation na pwede dito. Overtaking, crossing situation, yung mga simpleng ganun, narrow channels. So, pwede ka mag-take ng action to avoid risk of collision. So, ang pinili ko is the crossing situation. So, as we can see, we are on board of MV Hope. Our course are 000 degree true, which is north, and with a speed of 12 knots. As we can see, the sky is clear, and we see approaching vessel named MV More onto our right side, which is 45 degrees bearing northeast of us, and his course will be 270 degrees true, which means he is going to west. Given the fact that this is a crossing situation and we are the giveaway, we will act accordingly to the rule. So as we can see, we are not constrained by draft, so we will boldly alter our course 45 degree to starboard. As we can see, our ship is tilting to the right, which means we are turning to starboard side. Continue to this course up until we see MV More stern, and then go back straight to our parallel course, original course line, by turning to the port side 45 degrees and straight parallel to our original course line. When there is already safe distance back to our original course line by tilting to our port 22.5 degrees, so we can go back to our original course line slowly. So as we can see, we avoid risk of collision by acting early and sufficiently. That will be all. Thank you. Rule number 9 is narrow channel. Mr. Midshipman Martino will discuss rule number 9, narrow channel. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kisumbing. So, good day everyone. I'm Midshipman Marquinho. I'm going to present first the narrow channel, which is our rule 9 procedure and checklist. So, what is narrow channel? It is a straight natural form narrow o daanan ng mga vehicle natin sa dagat o ruta ng mga barko natin. First of all, pag nasa loob ka ng channel, make sure na sa isang side tayo or inbound buoy, para yung other vessel approaching galing sa outbound buoy, safe siyang nagnanavigate doon. So, yun. So, pag nasa dagat ka, may procedure tayong gagawin to overtake someone or surpass someone na nasa harap mo. So we have a clip here. So makikita natin ang POV natin dito. That is our MV Marine. Makikita natin dito. Sa harap naman ng vessel natin, which is yung nasa unahan, which is our MV Ames. So yan yung i-overtake natin, yung MV Ames. So we have like 9 procedures na dapat gagawin in order to successfully perform the overtaking. So may scenario kami dito. It is to purpose namin dito to apply namin yung procedures namin dito. So our scenario here is the MV Marine wants to overtake the ahead vessel, which is MV Ames natin. So we are on board on MV Marine, sailing in a narrow channel in Bab al-Mandab Strait, going to Red Sea. Yung sky natin is clear naman, which is good siyang mag-overtake kasi malinaw. Malinaw siya. It is good to perform the overtaking. And our current speed is 10 knots. Speed natin 10 knots. As we notice, MV Ames nasa harap natin siya. Speed naman niya ay medyo mababa lang. Nasa 9 knots lang. So, yan yung i-overtake natin. So, we have 9 procedures. So, proceed tayo dun sa ating procedure. Pinakauna natin gagawin, syempre, get nearby to the vessel. Lalapit tayo dun sa MV Ames para simulan na natin yung which is yun yung una nating gagawin. Get nearby to the vessel. Yung sunod naman na gagawin, slow down a little by matching their speed around 9.5 knots to lessen the risk of collision. Medyo babaan natin yung speed natin. Pangatlo, communicate to MV Ames to ask permission to overtake. So, yun. Pangapat natin gagawin, make 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast for asking permission to bypass through starboard. So, maggagawa tayo ng blast para makapunta tayo dun sa starboard side. So, yun, make a blast. Susunod natin gagawin yung panglima, wait the response of agreement na gagawin ng MV Ames. So if MV Ames agree, he will respond with a blast, then 1 long blast followed by 1 short blast and 1 long blast again plus 1 short blast. So yung pang-anim natin gagawin, alter our course about 22.5 starboard side. When we already have a safe distance to enable us to overtake, make our course straighten by turning to port side about 22.5. So, yung pang-pitong procedure natin, mag-i-increase tayo ng speed up to 12 knots to pass the MV Ames. So, yun na. Increase natin yung speed natin. Tapos, yung pang-walo, which is as our distance to MB aims widens so slowly back to our original course by turning to 11.25 degree to our port side. So yun, yung last nating procedure, slowly make our course straighten as channels prescribe route. So babalik tayo sa course natin. Safe na tayong nakaka-overtake dun sa MV aims. That's all for Rule 9. I would like to call Midshipman Arias the next presenter for Rule 14.
Thank you, Mr. Marquinho. I'm Midshipman Arias. I'm gonna talk about the Rule 14, head-on situation. So, ano nga ba yung head-on situation? Ito yung mga power diving vessels that are meeting on reciprocal courses or nearly reciprocal courses. So, ano yung makita natin pag illustration, yung mga light indicates niya at night? Okay. The head, the massive light, then the both side light, yung starboard side and port side. Then yung stern with her drop, the massive light, then the both side light, yung starboard side, the port side, and the red light. So the vessel is going to your port side, nakita natin itong massive light, then the red light. Then the vessel is going to starboard, makita natin dito yung massive light, then the green light. Kailangan muna makapos kung involved yung west of collision. So basically, if west of collision does not exist, pwede mo nang hindi i-apply itong rule na ito. Pero sabi nga sa rule, you shall alter your course to starboard side so that it shall pass on the port side of the other. So meron akong example scenario dito. We are on board in the MV Gym heading due north at 00 degree papunta kami norte at good visibility at speed of 11 knots. Then we see the MVPs up ahead true course of 180 degree. We are meeting on reciprocal courses. So, anong ginawa namin para maiwasan yung west of collision? We slow down our speed about 10 knots for easy maneuver. Then, we estimate the distance between each other. Then, we have to alter our course to starboard side about 20 degree to 30 degree. Depends on the distance. As we widen the distance of collisions, slowly strengthen our course by turning to port side. The same as we alter our course earlier. Then we monitor the surroundings up until we pass each other in our port side. As we have a safe clearance, go back to our original course. So that's all. Thank you. For the next topic, I would like to call Mr. Napat.
Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. I am the last group to the report of Group 3. My name is Edward Racy Napat, and the report is Rule 17, Action by Sun Vessel. What is action by sun vessel? It is two vessel. It is sun vessel and giveaway vessel. It means he maintained her course and speed. To it doesn't not necessarily have to remain to compass course and maintain a same engine. Like may papakita akong video na sun vessel and giveaway vessel in the crossing situation like this. And the sun vessel, he maintain her course and speed. So kailangan nila i-maintain both sides and that do not steer to port side of both of them because it cause up a risk of collision. This rule is rule 17 is action by standard vessel. It is action by standard vessel is steered to starboard side, and giveaway vessel is steered to starboard side. Both of them is steered. Both of them maintain air course and speed, and bago sila lumiko, kailangan na magbawas ng action by standard vessel at 8 knots speed niya. Kailangan niya i-decrease ito para maiwasan the risk of collision, para pag-maneuver agad siya to starboard side. And then the giveaway vessel, kailangan din magbawas para maka-steer sila to port side para maiwasan ng risk of collision, like, and both steered to at 45 degree at starboard side. Pag nakalagpas na ito yung pagpas na ito, pwede sila bumalik sa original course line at 11.25 angle starboard side. And then pwede na sila mag-increase ng speed nila at normal because mawawala lang sila hindi na sila magbabanggaan at di sila magkakaroon ng risk of collision sa gitna ng open sea, sa gitna ng dagat. At titingin yung ititingin yung standard vessel sa likod para kung babangga ba ito sa likod nila. And then that's all of the report of Group 3, and thank you sir, and thank you guys.